Hello, so in this feature demo, we're going to walk through the steps of adding a banner to your bundle. Now, this is a build a box bundle, but the steps are going to be the same regardless of the bundle format you're creating. And I went ahead and I've already removed this image, but I just wanted to show you what we're going to create in this demo. And so I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page, and you can see now that that image has been removed. So let's go ahead and navigate to the back end and walk through the steps to go ahead and re-add it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on View Bundle, and we're going to edit an existing bundle. The steps would be the same if you're creating a new bundle from scratch. And so a couple of things to notate here is that this is actually dynamic per step. So depending on how many steps you have, you can have different banners on different steps, or you could have a banner on some steps, not all steps. It's completely customizable and up to you on how you want to set that up. So what you saw is I went ahead and clicked on steps over in the left-hand panel. I selected our first step here, which is our cookie box step. And then in the right-hand panel, I scrolled all the way down to the bottom where you see banner image. This is where we're actually going to paste the image URL. I wanted to show you this first just because I wanted you to see the steps in order to get to here. But with that said, we actually need the image URL. And the best way to do that is to go ahead and add the image to your backend of Shopify. And over here in Files, you're going to locate the image that you've added. And we're just going to copy the link to that image. Perfect. Now we're going to navigate back to our bundle. Click on Edit. And then again, you're going to select Steps. We're going to choose the first step here. We're going to scroll to the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and paste that URL link in right there. And now you can see that the image has been added. We're going to save changes, navigate back to the live site, refresh the page. And now you can see that that banner image has been added to our bundle. I think having an image here sometimes could be a really great way for you to show your branding to your online customers and really show them the energy that you're bringing within your bakery or whatever type of business you might have. So this is a really great way of, again, just kind of bringing your retail shop to your online customers. It's really that simple, but as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you have any feature requests, feel free to let us know what those are, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.